Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Taste. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use the NYX Sugar Trip Squad eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take that first shade, put it in my crease, and then I'm gonna take the other two shades and put those in my lids. By the way, I post new shorts every Monday and full makeup tutorials every Friday. So if you enjoy beauty content and fun videos, definitely make sure you subscribe. Okay, I already put on my lashes as well as my moisturizer, and now I'm going to use the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. Next, I'm using the Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To cover the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's setting, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Mocha Mami to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Honey Translucent to set while highlighted at. For my all-over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in 65 Toffee. Now I'm going back into that same palette and I'm going to use that shade for my blush. To highlight, I'm using the Revlon Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter in Twilight Gleam. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner and Club Hopper and the Buxom Full Force Plumping Lipstick and Icon. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this Electric Orchid makeup tutorial that I did. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. I'll see you all in the next one, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.